Hey everybody. Now since there's some more memorable ones being the grilled cheese sandwich that looked like the Virgin Mary, that was you know, it came somewhere in the field of $1,000, and this got me thinking. I was eating Special K this morning, and I found this monstrosity, and I've decided it's a very large Special K, and there's something very special about this Special K, and I've decided that I'm going to put it on eBay. So it's very I'm going to put this on eBay. Get it. Get it. Oh, for God. Oh, for sake. Eat it out of my hand. Get it.
It knows that it's not it.
It's for you. Take it. Maybe you'll get used to it. Sit, go to Heidi. I don't want that. And I think that you know, Monty. Monty, come here, Monty. And I think this really should be. Get it. Here you go, Monty. Stay. Just grab it. Just eat it. Here you go. Come on, Brandy. Come on, Brandy. This way. Make it walk. Throw something. And I like Special K, but I was eating it and I found this monstrosity. And that for you Special K eaters out there is slightly larger than your average, just a little bit larger than your average Special K. And I figure I'll put this on eBay. It'll be up there, you know, very shortly. You're gonna see like probably, I don't know, it may go for $2,000. We don't really know. I mean, roughly in our world today, there are idiots, there are crazy people that can pretty much eat anything. And then get out of the shot. As soon as it comes, get out of the shot. Let it go now. Come on, Brandy. Brandy, come here. Brandy, here. Brandy, come here. Brandy!